Hey y'all, I just wanted to show you this really cool product I got from Etsy. I got it from a shop called Bombs with a Z on the end. It is called the Cricut tool holder, and there's 3 versions: a small, a standard, and an extra large. Here I have the standard and the extra large. Now the small has 5 of these blade holders and 3 slots for tools up here. I will put a picture in here somewhere. And it also has a small slot here that's just a very shallow spot for extra blades or caps for things that you're using. Okay, so this is the standard. It has 6 blade holders or tool holders and 6 tall slots for your weeding tools or pins or whatever you'd like to put in there. Now, this is the extra large. The differences between these two are this one has this little lip here, and this one doesn't, and it has 2 rows of tool holders. And then it also has a special little spot for the Cricut scissors, which are these. They go right there. It's a special little thin slot. Then it also has this little spot for your scraper tools. This is a little bit more shallow, where they sit there like that. And it fits all of the maker's blades, all of the standard blades that work in the Explorer also. This is the deep cut blade, this is a fine point blade, and this is also a fine point blade. And it fits all of the tools. I have almost every weeding tool. I'm pretty sure I have a couple of each of them, and they all fit. You could even put all pins in here if you want. You could have 2, and you could have extra blade holders and extra pin storage. So it'd be really cool for you to check these out. I really love mine.